Hello, everyone, and welcome. We are so excited to introduce a brand new service from bigDAWGS that's designed to solve one of the biggest headaches in digital finishing. It's called the Embelliprint Concierge, and if you own a high-end press, you're going to want to listen to this. So let's just get right to it with a big question. You've invested a ton of money, we're talking six figures, in a state-of-the-art digital finishing press. But is that powerful, incredible machine really living up to its full creative and financial potential? You know, the funny thing is, the biggest bottleneck holding you back probably isn't a gear or a sensor. It's a person. Or, more accurately, the lack of a person, with the highly specialized skills needed for world-class embellishment. We call this the embellishment talent gap. Now, this is a challenge that pretty much every single print professional recognizes. So in this first section, let's break down this hidden talent gap and see exactly why it's causing so much friction in the industry. I bet this list hits pretty close to home, right? Most design schools, well, they just don't teach tactile design, the real art of working with raised foils and varnishes. So you end up getting files from generalist designers that, sure, they look great on a screen, but they are an absolute nightmare in production. And this leads to endless, frustrating rework, wasting your time, your materials, your profit, and pretty much turning your high-speed press into a glorified and very expensive paperweight. But what if you could just eliminate that bottleneck completely? Seriously, what if you could have the world's best embellishment designers on your team right now whenever you need them? Well, that's what this next section is all about. Just stop and imagine that for a second. Having access to a team that lives and breathes tactile artistry, designers who know exactly how to push your press to its absolute creative limits, getting results you didn't even think were possible. And the best part? You get that access instantly. That's right, no hiring process, no training delays, just pure, expert talent available on demand, ready to go the moment you need them. And this is the solution. Embelliprint Concierge by bigDAWGS. Think of it as your dedicated specialist design team, but without any of the overhead. Their entire purpose is to shatter those creative roadblocks and unlock the true profit potential of your machine. And listen, this isn't just us talking. The quality of our team's work is industry recognized. When a top industry expert says it's, and I quote, "some of the best embellishment work I have ever seen," you know you're getting access to true masters of the craft. It all comes together with our incredible white glove service. Here's how it works. First, our experts design and optimize your files. Then, and this is the game changer, we print a physical proof and send you high-quality photos and videos for approval. Once you give us the thumbs up, you get flawless, press-ready files with the exact machine settings for your job. No more guesswork, no more waste. Just perfection, guaranteed. Okay, so you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how does it really stack up against the other options, like hiring someone or training my current team? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's look at a direct head-to-head comparison. Okay, just look at these numbers. They're absolutely staggering. A productive hour with the concierge service is just $40. An in-house hire, once you factor in all the downtime and admin work, is around $50. But training? Training comes out to an eye-watering $625 per hour of instruction with zero finished projects to show for it. The choice is pretty clear. Let's dig into that a little deeper. When you hire someone in-house, you're paying for meetings, for downtime, for sick days. With Concierge, every single dollar buys you pure expert output. You get immediate access instead of a 6-week hiring lag. Premium tools are included, the artistry is guaranteed, and you can scale on demand without that fixed, permanent overhead. All right, now let's talk about training your own team. A $5,000 investment in training gets you about 8 hours of theory. That same $5,000 with Concierge, that gets you around 125 hours of actual expert output. Training builds technical skills over months with a lot of trial and error. Concierge delivers the creative artistry that commands premium prices from day one, all while your team stays focused and productive. But here's the thing, it gets even better. The value doesn't stop with flawless embellishment files. You should think of this as more than just a production service. It's a full creative partnership for your entire business. That's right. You can use your concierge hours for a whole suite of creative services. You need a promotional video edited to show off your new embellishment capabilities? Done. Need compelling copy for a marketing campaign? No problem.
high-impact graphic design, image creation, content for your social media, it's all available through the exact same service. It's like having a full marketing agency on call.
And to make all this happen, our team operates at the absolute cutting edge. They are powered by a full stack of premium AI creative tools like Midjourney, Descript, and 11 Labs. This means they deliver incredible, stunning results with maximum efficiency. And that's value that gets passed directly onto you. So, okay, we've seen the problem, we've seen the game-changing solution, and we've seen the incredible value. The only question left is, how do you get started? Don't worry, we've made it super simple and transparent.
Our plans are designed to be straightforward. The support plan is perfect if you just need occasional expert help. As you expand, the growth plan offers more hours and includes those valuable white glove credits. And for a complete creative solution, the partner plan is your all-in-one answer to everything.
And for those bigger projects or for your busy seasons, you have the flexibility to scale on demand whenever you need to. Our 100-hour credit packs drop the rate to just $40 an hour, giving you incredible value and the power to tackle any project that comes your way. So, I guess the only question left is this. Are you ready to stop fighting that talent gap and finally unleash the full creative and financial power of that incredible machine sitting on your production floor?